Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Suzuki SX4 S hatch, stock reference number 4240. This shape runs from the second month 2007 through to the first month 2014. It has a J20B 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. J20B 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has one small dent. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. We have the right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black centre console, manual type, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.